got Brown here. Alright, let's go build an exterior door. We're gonna make the jamb, the sill, we're gonna hang the door, we're gonna do everything. Alright, let's go.
Opening inward?
It's opening outward.
Opening outward. Huh?
But it's an exterior door as well, so
okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what we want. Well, that was funny. I sorted out the sill, the timber sill, and then as I was leaving, the guy pointed to my stuff and said, "Oh, so will that be in the next episode?" And I was like, "What? You watch the videos?" And sure enough, he watches the videos. All right. Hey, how cool is that, eh? How are you this morning, Richard?
Oh, everybody, Scott Brown's here.
How's it going?
Got a lollipop.
Oh yeah, nice. So this is the existing exterior door, and as you can see, it has a few issues. Namely, it's just knackered basically. We're going to replace it with a new door, essentially the same door, just a bit more solid, a new jamb. But one significant change that we're going to make is on the sill. Because right now, as you can see here, the floor just comes right out and there's no sill below the door. The reason floorboards are missing here is because they were rotten. The door we put in won't rot the floorboards like that. It's always a bit of a challenge taking off old timber like this, off door frames or anything, because it's been there for so many years and it's so dry. So when you put some force on it, it could have a bead of silicone somewhere, or glue, or just a hidden nail that you don't see. And then you put pressure against that nail and it cracks the timber, which is what I did down here. Little split. But we can glue that up later. So I'm about to cut up this jamb and start putting it together. This is the jamb liner. It's got the weather groove, and then it's got this little groove here. And that groove is going to hold a rubber seal. So that's the jamb that goes around the sides and the top. And then this is the sill. So again, a weather groove here, that's like a drip edge pretty much. And the door is going to sit in there, because this door is going to open outward. We have a slight problem with this jamb. It is not straight. Look at that. What do you reckon, Rich? What do we do?
Going for a drive.
Again.
Taking this back and I'm driving in their face. And asking politely for a new piece.
Ah, that's a bummer. At least we got one that's pretty straight. Once I have my first checkout, I can double check how it works with the sill, and then I find the center of the sill, and then I work out my sizes from the center. So first the door size, and then the jamb positions. And this is where this ruler comes in. I get questions from time to time about this ruler. Scott, why don't you just use a measuring tape? Why do you use a folding ruler like this? Well, I like to unfold it and treat it almost like a steel rule, kind of like when you did woodwork at school. A flat steel rule would be used to, you know, mark out on your timber before you go and cut it all. And that's kind of the same way I use this. It's more of a flat marker, you know. Your tape's kind of concaved and up off the surface a bit too much to be as accurate as I would have liked. So that's when I use the ruler. And it's just something that I've gotten used to. Here in New Zealand, more people would probably use the 1 meter folding rulers. That's what I used to use as well. Now then I met some German guys and they had these 2 meter ones. But sometimes the 2 meter rulers also double as squares. Like some of them have like lock-in positions. Some of them have holes and you can almost use them like a compass. And when I asked the German guy why he uses these instead of an actual square and an actual ruler, he said, "How many tools do you need?" You made it.
I made it. I didn't throw it in their face.
Sweet. Whew. A lot of work goes into putting a door together, and even more work to... Why is this so dark? And even more work to hang it. Richard got a stud in there, patched in, some nogs all on the bottom, flooring out. And he's going to tape that up, and I'm going to get some primer on the bottom of this door. So the flashing tape is on the sill, and we're just packing the sides. We're meant to have a sill tray here, but we currently don't have one, so I'll link a video below. I've done a full detailed video of how you put a sill tray in for a window, and it's essentially the same thing for a door. So we've got some temporary packers down there, and we're going to sit the door on that for now. we always start with the hinge side. We've packed the hinge side plumb, and then we fix to that, and we know it's gonna be sweet. Packed.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Now it'll ever get through there.
See you guys in the next one.